Steam inhalation is used to treat nasal congestion or blocked nose, which is one of the most annoying symptoms for adults and harmful to children because of its effect on breathing and nutrition, and usually accompanies many respiratory diseases such as sinusitis, influenza, common cold, hay fever, and allergic rhinitis. Benefits of inhaling Eucalyptus steam. 1. Getting rid of sinus congestion by combining hot water with some essential oils. 2. Treating cold or flu symptoms, the most important of which is nasal congestion. 3. Treating sore throat symptoms, the most important of which are pain and swelling. 4. Analyzing the mucus accumulated in the respiratory tract that causes a wet or deep cough. 5. Reducing shortness of breath or difficulty breathing by maintaining the airway. The nose is opened, and the mucus layer in the lungs is analyzed. Methods of steam inhalation. Among the methods used for treatment with steam inhalation are the following. The bowl and the towel. It is done by heating the water to obtain boiling water, and then placing it in a large bowl, preferably heat-proof bowl. Then the person sits near the bowl or sink used, then approaches the bowl with his face and his head covered with a towel to make it look like a tent, and the person must breathe through his nose for 2 consecutive minutes with eyes closed to avoid any harm. Steam cup. A plastic cup designed for inhaling steam can be used. It consists of a bowl in which hot water is placed and a mask that fits the face to breathe through, and it is called a steam cup. Steam bath. It is possible to rely on inhaling the moist air by making a warm shower and breathing in the steam resulting from the hot water, and this helps to relieve the symptoms of sore throat. And this method is also the best way to use steam inhalation therapy for children. It is the safest way to avoid the danger of boiling water, and it is by turning on the hot water taps in the bathroom and closing the door, then sitting with the child to play or read stories for a period ranging from 5 to 10 minutes. Inhalation device. The inhaler known as a vaporizer helps moisten the air using hot mist. This helps to breathe properly, and to get rid of the dryness of the throat, nose and lips, and these devices are characterized by their availability in multiple sizes, where the small ones can be placed next to the bed. It is worth noting that the steam vaporizer should be placed at an appropriate distance from children, that is, at least 122 centimeters away, because the device performs by heating the water inside it and then taking it out in the form of a hot mist, which may lead to burns if the vaporizer is close to children. And to maintain the device, it is recommended to use the appropriate amounts of distilled water to avoid the formation of mineral deposits as much as possible, and it is recommended to place the device on a flat surface. Continuously clean the device. Warnings of inhaling steam. Inhalation of steam may result in some harm if misused, so the user must be alerted to some matters, including the following. 1. Close eyes to avoid irritation and exposure to hot water vapor when using an open bowl and towel. 2. Leave a sufficient distance of at least 25 centimeters between the face and the container containing the hot water, in order to avoid steam burns. 3. Take care and caution in dealing with boiling water to avoid body burns. 4. Allow the boiled water to cool slightly before inhaling the steam so as not to burn the skin. 5. Put humidifiers and vaporizers out of the reach of children, to avoid burns. 6. Avoid using humidifiers frequently in the rooms, to avoid the growth of germs and molds. The best method for steam treatment is heating water on gas. Heating water on gas with Eucalyptus added. If home humidifiers are not available, a simple method can be used. That the best method of steam treatment is to heat water with gas. Heating water with gas with the addition of Eucalyptus feathers. In the absence of household refreshments, a simple method can be used based on boiling water in a special container on a gas stove for 30 minutes, with the addition of Eucalyptus, which acts as a decongestant, expands and cleanses the respiratory tracts, as well as moisturizes the house and helps remove existing nasal congestion on boiling water in a special container on a gas stove for 30 minutes, with the addition of Eucalyptus leaf. Use the Eucalyptus steam process 3 times a day for 3 days, and you will notice improvement from the first day. Do not forget to support the channel by liking and activating the bell, and do not forget to join us.